Hi guys, let's create this amazing smoky looks together on my client. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my page. My name is Akambi Yetunde Miriam, popularly known as Elboni Beauty Ventures. And if you are a new subscriber to this page, please kindly remember to subscribe. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for staying tuned. So firstly, I use a facial wipe to clean her face, then I proceed to carving her brows. I use micellar water to clean her face, and I proceed to moisturizing her face. Then I use a facial primer, then I set it in, then I sprayed it with a setting spray, then allow it to dry a bit, then I proceed to the two matching foundation of her color. Then I use a foundation brush to blend it in. After I blend it in for a while, I sprayed my beauty blender, and I will be using it to dab the foundation to the skin for the skin to absorb the foundation very well. Once I dab it in properly, I'll be using this darker shade to conceal our contoured area and her nose too. I use a one shade lighter concealer to conceal her underneath eye. Then I contoured her nose too. I'll be using a beauty blender to blend it all together. My beauty blender is sprayed with a setting spray. Then I blend, seal. Everything is well blended. I added a setting powder underneath her eye, not too much. Then I proceed to her hair brow, which I use a hair wax gel to brush out the hair. Then I'll be using a gel liner to draw the straight curve line for the brows. Then I'll be filling it in with a pencil, which is a color 3 pencil, because she's a dark skin, not too dark, not too light. Let me call it, she's a chocolate in color. So I'll be filling it in with a color 3 pencil. Once I filled it in, I'll be using a one shade lighter concealer to contour the underneath part of the eyebrow. If you are new to this page, please kindly remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this. I have a full details of this tutorial on my channel. If you are new to this page, please go through my playlist section to click and watch whatever you want to watch. I'm using a one shade lighter concealer to conceal her underneath brow, which I'll be using a foundation of a matching color to conceal the upper part of the brows. Then I'll be using a shadow brush to blend it into the skin after I've concealed it. I'll use a matching foundation of a color to clean the upper part of the brows. You have to be careful while doing this because you don't want your brow lines to fade out. So once I've done with this step, I'll be using a eyeshadow brush to blend it. Then I use a dark eyeliner to do a smoky eyeshadow on our eyeshadow area. I will set it in till it is dry on our crease bow. I did not allow it to pass the crease bow, the crease area, which I'll be using a natural eyeshadow palette to clear the upper part of the brows and I'll be blending it in till everything is well blended. I use a natural eyeshadow palette at this point. I proceed to the second part of the brows to the eyeshadow area. Once I've blended it properly, I'll be using a dark shade of eyeshadow to contour her nose to give her a pointed nose. And it will be lightly, not too dark, while it is not too light. And I'll be blending it in with another faded eyeshadow brush till everything is well blended. I'll be using a setting powder on it so that I can blend it in properly. I use a eyeliner to draw a eyeliner underneath the eye. Then I'll be using a powder brush to blend till everything, the underneath brows, the contoured area, I'll blend all together. Then I contour that cheekbone too, which I blend, and I'll be using a light contour on it. Then I use a powder brush again to blend all together. I make sure I blend the nose area very well so that the contour nose will not be too obvious. I blend all her neck so that the foundation will be matching her neck shadow as well. I blend and blend and blend till everything is well blended. Then I proceed to her lip area, which I use a dark brown for the upper lip. Then I'll be using a natural color for the down lip. And I will be blending till I have a good lip line. Then I use a flat brush to contour the lip area so that it will clean up all the essence lipstick on our lip area. Then I'll be using a contoured brush to give her a contour cheek, and I'll be adding a highlighter here to highlight the brows. I use a eyeliner again, gel liner, eyeliner to draw the eyeline. After it is dry a bit, I'll be adding a brow gel. Eyelashes glue underneath eye, on the upper part of her eyelashes. We'll be using an extended lashes on it. Then I use a flat brush to clean up the essence eyeliner that we have on our brows, on our eyeshadow area. I use a mascara brush to brush out the eyelashes. Then I glue the extended eyelashes to a natural one. I use mascara again on it. Then I will be using a highlighter on her cheekbone and her nose too, which I use a powder brush to blend all together again. Then I'll be using a lip gloss on her lip area, and I'll spray the face with a setting spray and here is the final look of the result. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.